Hi everyone, happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Again, this is Maria and this is La Luna Tarot. So good morning sa inyong lahat. Good morning sa aking mga viewers na gising pa rin. Okay, up until now. So today is Saturday. Saturday morning. Okay. So um kamusta kayo? Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Today we're going to do another pick a card reading, but this time this is whatever comes up. So, this is a love reading. So, whatever comes up, ano yung, titingnan natin kung ano yung energy yung mapipick up natin. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two kinds of deck. Okay? The tea leaf card and the universe answer deck. Okay? So, itong una is pile number one. Ano yung specific topic na mapipili mo, month, or yung time span. Okay? Then live shuffle tayo ng tarot card and gagamitin natin oracle deck for advice. Okay? So, pili kayo kung anong pile yung sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Again guys, pasensya na kayo kasi inhit yung pusa ko, yung aking dalawang muningning. Okay, na si Princess and Luna. Kaya kung maririnig sila sa background, don't mind na lang, okay? Pile number 1 and pile number 2, I will give you seconds to choose your pile. Okay? So, start now. Choose your pile now. It's very important to meditate on your pile para resonated yung pile na inyong mapipili. Again, this is love reading, whatever comes up. Pile number 1 and pile number 2. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, let's start with pile number 1. Okay, so short announcement lang guys. So sabi sa akin nung aking admin is meron na raw nag-send ng Gmail sa ating Gmail account, okay, ng channel. So please make sure na maibigay yung hinihingi pong information, okay, para to confirm and to schedule doon sa apat na nanalo ng personal reading, okay? So again, it is until July 31. July katapusan. Kaya sayang naman kung hindi nyo i-redeem. Okay? So, let's go back. This is file number 1. So, file number 1, ano yung napili mong topic? Anong energy itong babasahin natin? Ano yung makukuha natin? Whatever comes up. Love reading. So, again, general reading ito. Po pwedeng maraming energy tayong makita. So, take what's resonate. Huwag ipilit kung hindi mag-resonate. Leave the rest para sa ibang nanonood, okay? So, let's start. Ano yung specific topic or specific side ng life mo, pile number 1, yung titingnan natin or sisilipin natin for today. So, this is the astral house. Career. Wow. So, ang titingnan natin, sa mga pumili ng pile number 1 is career. Okay? Nakuha mo ang career card. Again, you can be a writer. Okay? Script writing, meron akong narinig ng script writing, writer, admin, or job na may tailoring. Meron akong narinig na tailoring or na mananahe. Okay. Career na in writing. Okay. So, let's see. Ano kayang month yung napili ng pile number 1? July. Wow. July. So, ngayon. July. Career and July. Some of you is a water sign or fire sign. Leo. Okay. Earth sign. Let's see. And anong sagot ng iyong universe answer deck? Indeed. Okay. You got the card indeed. Career, July, and indeed. So, titingnan natin. Specifically, anong ano ba? Ano bang career? Kung titingnan natin kung may career ka ba this July or meron kang bagong career na um, hinahanap or titingnan natin. Indeed, in Tagalog is sa totoo lang or kumbaga totoo lang or anything. Titingnan natin or talaga actually. Okay? So ito yung mga um, really yan. Yan. So yan yung mga ano, mga malalapit na words sa ating indeed card. Okay, so let's use yung ating into tarot deck. Okay. Sa career ng ating pile number 1. Ano yung naghihintay sa inyo this July? For your career? O anong mangyayari sa career? And bakit indeed yung sagot ng universe sa inyo, pile number 1? Let's see. For some of you, siguro gusto nyo lumipat ng job or humanap pa ng part-time. You can be a freelancer or at your own pace yung job ninyo. Okay. Na-shuffle. Let's see. Career reading para sa aking pile number 1, please. Career reading for my pile number 1. Okay. Career reading for my file number 1. Oops. Yeah. 5 of coins. O, di ba? Out in the cold. Uy. For some of you is pwedeng nawalan kayo ng work. Okay? And this July, you are looking for a job. Okay? Because meron akong nakikita dito na 5 of coins. 5 of coins specifically as an earth sign. You can be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You are looking ahead. Looking, with the word looking, ikaw is naghahanap or going forward na. O pwedeng, yun nga sabi ko nga, you are planning to get another client if you're a freelancer, to get part-time job, okay? To add any additional income, okay? Kasi po pwede sigurong pakiramdam mo is kulang, okay? Kulang yung money na pumapasok sa bahay nyo, sa life mo, okay? Not enough for you, okay? O pwede rin sigurong feeling mo na pag-iiwanan ka na. You can be feeling mo parang sa age mo ngayon dapat kahit papaano is may narating ka na. Okay. Yun yung aking nakikita. Okay. So changes, positive changes. So kung nawalan ka ng trabaho or isa ka sa parang hindi na regular or isa ka sa parang natanggal or na-endo, um, this is the confirmation na it is for a good change, for a positive change. Whether yung job mo before is not for you. And po pwedeng hindi suit sa talent or skills na meron ka. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na you have the talent or gift of writing, whether blog, okay, a blog writing, content creator, or anything na writing, scripting, or anything. Meron ako nakikita kasing ganun eh. With the table here. You can also accept any admin job, okay? Meron ako nakikita na for some of you na ibang pumili na mga pumili ng pal number one is earth sign. Okay, so let's see. Three of Wands. O, diba? For some of you is medyo matatagalan ka. Okay, sa process ng paghahanap ng job or ng career kasi po pwedeng masyado mong nililimitahan yung sarili mo or nire-restrict mo yung sarili mo or sabihin na nating wala kang bilib. Parang gano'n. Kumbaga parang nawawalan ka ng ano ng kumpiyansa. Yan. Okay? So, for some of you is parang feeling mo walang progress kasi. Parang walang nangyayari. Okay. Ano ka eh, parang ayaw mong umalis sa comfort zone mo for some of you. Kaya, alam mo yun, yung parang feeling mo stagnant ka, feeling mo parang hindi umuusad yung kaperahan mo or yung money mo, yung savings mo or yung dapat na estado ng buhay mo. Pero ayaw mo naman umalis sa comfort zone mo. Okay? Actually, ha? Actually, ha, for some of you, if you gather all your um, sabihin natin yung courage mo, okay, this month of July, meron kang mahahanap na work. Whether this is a self-employed through script writing or a client na naghahanap ng ganong klaseng job yung kaninang sinabi ko. Okay? May ano eh, meron meron ako nakikitang postpone pa eh. Okay. So, talagang ano, talagang you are in the process of recovery pa right now. So, kailangan mong gather your thoughts, okay. Uh, may kailangan kang mapaglabanan sa sarili mo. Okay. May kailangan kang uh, pwedeng i-let go. Okay? Pwedeng let go of ego, let go of yung limiting yourself, yung mindset mo na parang thinking small lang na parang ito lang yung kaya mo. Kasi meron akong nakikita sa inyo na for some of you is um, mababa yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo. You're not confident. Parang ganun. Hmm. Three of Wands in reverse. Five of Coins. Uh, High Priestess in reverse. You are not following your intuition. If you're a water sign, you're very intuitive. If you are an earth sign or a fire sign, whether you are fire or earth, you can have a water placement on your natal chart. Okay. So, for some of you na hindi mag-resonate sa Five of Coins or feeling mo parang napag-iiwanan ka na, yung iba naman sa inyo is already nagkaroon ng courage to get out of your comfort zone. Kaso nga lang, still, you have the mindset of thinking small or walang kumpiyansa sa sarili. For some of you are not following your intuition. Actually, you know that um, you can get a part-time job if you want or additional income if you want. Okay? You isolate yourself. Um, yung iba sa inyo, nagiging pity. Yung parang nagiging, hindi ko alam kung mahiyain ka ba. Yung for some of you, oh, yes, meron akong nakikita na mahiyain kasi ayaw nyo sa tao. That's why gusto mo yung trabaho na hindi nakikita yung mukha ninyo. Yes, yun ang nakikita ko ha. Uh, let's see. You're very intuitive. Pile number 1. Let's see. Winter solstice. Find the light within. O, di ba? In order for you to break out the chain of, alam mo yon yung parang in-isolate mo yung sarili mo, yung kawalan ng kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo, you need to find the light within yourself, okay? So, ibig sabihin, right timing, okay? If you have any reason why ganun yung confidence o ba mababa yung confident mo or sabihin natin ano. Meron akong nakikita dito, some of you is a water sign kasi parang ano eh, you are in, o pwede sigurong in a hibernate period na you need a proper timing. Kailangan mo muna sigurong i-relax yung sarili mo, relax mo yung mind mo, gather mo yung thoughts mo, ano ba yung gusto mo talagang gawin in your career. Okay. Kasi napakahalaga na when you're finding a career, gusto mo siya and masaya ka. Okay. Nine of Swords, so overthinking. 'Di ba? You have some kind of trauma with the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is lack of sleep, walang pahinga. Kaya meron dito akong nakikitang postpone eh. Some kind of postpone. Okay? So, merong some kind of parang recovery. Yung wag mong madaliin yung sarili mo to recover if meron kang pinagdaanan. Whether dinidibdib mo yung pagkawalan mo ng trabaho, kung resonated sa'yo yun, or dinidibdib mo yung merong nangyari sa'yo emotionally. Ang dami mong iniisip actually. There are lots of swords. Okay? Can be an overthinker. Okay? You are in the stage of you are losing hope eh. Whether this is about love, siguro about sa love yung nangyari na kaya parang hindi ka makakope, nawalan ka ng gana magtrabaho, o pwedeng ganun eh. Or meron akong narinig na Scorpio, if you are a Scorpio, or just overthinking, okay? Napakahalaga na ano. Kaya siguro itong hibernate na to na meron ka ngayon, wag mong madaliin yung sarili mo. You need to rest, rest your mind, rest your body, okay? Wag mong wag kang mainip, Okay. Nagwo-worry ka. If you're an earth sign, some of an earth sign, kapag wala ng pera, nagwo-worry. Ay nako, alam ko yan. I don't know kung mag-resonate kayo doon. Pero kasi earth sign is, ano eh, meron mga tao na kapag walang work, worrying na sila kasi paano yung pang araw-araw nila, ganyan. Na nagiging reason kaya nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights. Oo. Kailangan mo munang ipahinga yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo munang mag-hibernate. Kailangan mo munang, ano, actually, nakikita ko naman na you already disconnected na eh. Disconnect mo yung sarili mo outside. Yung iba sa inyo ha, ay yung iba naman sa inyo is parang nape-pressure. Okay? Meron akong nakikita dito na this is, if you are isolating yourself, okay, o pwedeng hindi mo to sinasabi sa iba. This is, sa sarili mo lang. You can be, sabi ko nga, Scorpio, very secretive. Okay? Or water sign na napakadami tumatakbo sa isip mo. Ayaw mo nang, wala kang mapagsabihan. Ayan. O pwedeng nawalan ka ng work or may some kind na nangyari sa'yo in the city and umuwi ka muna ng province, po pwedeng ganon. Let's see. Sa career ng aking pal number 1. Huwag niyong madaliin yung sarili ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, hati ito hati yung nakikita ko. For some of you, yung iba looking ng job, looking ng trabaho. Okay, ngayong July po pwedeng siguro nagkakaroon ka na ng anxiety, maraming gastusin, maraming bayarin. Kaya yung iba sa inyo nape-pressure. Ay. Let's see. King of Wands in reverse. Oh, you are very drained. You are very drained. Pile number 1. Feeling, ano ako nakikita dito na ang baba ng self-confidence, ang baba ng thinking small, ang baba ng tingin sa sarili. You can be, kaya ka nag-overthink kasi kailangan mong makontrol lahat ng nangyayari. No. Itong time na to, kung nag-hibernate ka or idle ka right now, kung idle ka right now ha, pile number 1, sa mga pumili ng pile number 1 and mag-resonate sa sasabihin ko, if you are idle right now, gawin mo tong time na to to, alam mo yon, to read, to write, okay, to, ang dami na ngayon online na ano, na po pwedeng mga courses or mga ano na po pwedeng pag-aralan, okay, nang merong libre, okay. Hindi lahat ng bagay is kaya mong makontrol kasi meron kasi akong nakikita na kapag hindi nyo nakokontrol, specifically yung nangyayari is nagkakaroon kayo ng anxiety. I don't know. Yun ang nakikita ko. Okay. 7 of Cups. O, di ba? You need to have a focused. 7 of Cups to. Okay. 7 of Cups in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo is may gift. Clear cognizant. Yung iba sa inyo na out in the woods na, looking ahead na, naghanap ng job, napaglampasan na to tong time ng idle or isolation. Yung iba sa inyo is focused na and there is a good luck here akong nakikita. Since career is nandirito, this July, okay? Po pwedeng kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, naghahanap ng additional job, makakakuha ka this July ng work. Okay? Kasi nakafocus ka and taking action ka na. Hindi ka na hindi ka na yung confused. Magician, di ba? Magician. Okay. So for some of you, doon sa, actually napakadaming energy kasi. Kaya hindi ko, alam mo yun, sobrang dami. You need you need to plan. There is a need of planning. And yung iba sa inyo, kailangan napaka-importante na i-clear mo and i-clean mo yung thoughts mo kasi for some of you magaling mag-manifest yung iba sa inyo kaso nga lang overthinking and imbes na positive yung isipin, negative agad yung pumapasok sa isip ninyo when it comes na kaya ko ba to? Parang negative agad yung pumapasok kaya nakahatak ninyo kung ano yung iniisip ninyo. And it's very important to clear your mind, clean your mind. Okay? Magician in reverse. Magician in reverse. Kaya hindi nyo na ma-manifest kung ano yung gusto ninyong mangyari kasi hindi clear yung thoughts ninyo. You need to have a clear vision. Okay? You need to know kung ano ba talagang gusto ninyong work, ano bang gusto ninyong unahin. Sobrang dami ninyong iniisip. Guys, sobrang dami. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo is talagang pinush ng universe, pinush ni Lord, pinush ng angels mo or ng mga guides mo na kailangan mo muna mag-hibernate. Parang ganito lang yan eh. Kung ako ang iyong angel or anything, sabihin ko sa'yo, ano ba talagang gusto mo pare or mare? Parang ganun lang. Kailangan mong i-pinpoint kung ano ba talagang gusto mong career. You need to find yourself, to know yourself, saan ka masaya, ano ba talagang gusto mong unahin. Okay? A clear vision. Doon yan para sa mga taong unclear pa. Unclear pa or hindi pa alam kung ano ba talaga yung gusto sa buhay. Sa mga nire-restrict yung sarili or pinopostpone. Queen of Cups in reverse. Alam mo, if you're a water sign, very emotional, you're in imbalance right now. Pwedeng sa love ito eh. Dahil sa love or meron nangyari sa inyo na nawalan kayo ng pag-asa kaya nagkasangay-sangay na. Pwedeng galing kayo sa breakup. Tapos ang tagal ninyong walang trabaho, iniwanan kayo, nag-cheat sa inyo, dahil pumayag ka na wala kang trabaho, naging codependent ka dun sa partner mo, nung nakipaghiwalay sa'yo, naiwan ka sa kawalan. Kaya hindi mo alam kung paano ka magsisimula. So, meron lang akong naramdaman na gano'n, okay? You still wallowing dun sa nangyari sa'yo. Okay? Whether in a relationship. Kaya hindi mo pa alam kung anong direksyon yung pupuntahan mo. Whether maghahanap ka naman ng trabaho, magpapahinga ka, okay? Iniisip mo naman, wala ka wala ka namang aasahan financially kasi nga, pwedeng pwedeng galing ka sa toxic relationship, sa narcissistic relationship, kaya nawalan ka ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. Ang daming let's see. Last card for this deck. Thank you. O, tingnan mo, Empress. Oh my God. You can be a single mom. Karamihan sa inyo, Divine Feminine. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, you're very, you're flexible. You're flexible. Kung akong tatanungin mo. Kasi, pwedeng pwede rin siguro kayo nagkasangay-sangay yung hindi mo alam kung ano unahin. Ang daming ideas meron ka. Yung iba sa inyo ha. Pwedeng single mom ka or pregnant, kaya nahihirapan maghanap ng work. Dahil din siguro sa hormones yun, imbalance ang hormone mo, kaya kung ano-ano iniisip mo, you are in a melancholy or wallowing period. Wala kang ginawa kundi matulog, umiyak, or hindi makatulog, iyak lang, or hindi makakain. I don't know kung ano pinagdadaanan mo, guys. Pero, alam ko na malalampasan nyo yon if this is resonated sa inyo, file number 1. Malalampasan nyo yon kasi there is a career this July. Okay? Just focus. And para doon sa gusto magpahinga, muna mag-hibernate, mag-relax muna, walang problema doon. You need to focus, you need to rest, you need to recover. And if ever man ano mang nangyari, you need an acceptance. Okay? In order for you to move forward. Kasi po pwedeng wala ka ng energy. Okay, kaya hindi ka makafocus. O pwedeng hindi ka kumakain. O pwedeng you need to clear your mind, clean your mind. Okay? File number 1. Okay. Let's get a advice for you. File number 1. Kuha tayo ng advice para sa'yo. Let's see. Shh. So, sorry dun sa aking pusa. Okay. Let's get advice for file number 1. Advice sa aking mga pumili ng file number 1 para sa career. Okay, so let's see. Advice for file number 1. So again, this is a parang unicorn card, pink unicorn badass card, this one. So titingnan natin. Ano yung advice sa iyo? File number 1. Okay. Ang sabi dito, treat yourself, eat whatever you want. Treat yourself, eat whatever you want. O, di ba? Yung iba sa inyo na nagtitipid, hindi masama na magkaroon ng cheat day. Treat yourself na makapag-boost ng emotions mo or ng energy mo. Okay? Kahit one day lang. Huwag umalis ka doon sa energy ng wallowing and melancholy. Okay? Kung tama ba ang aking bigkas. O, diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo nakakatuwa lang kapag nagre-resonate. Okay? Indeed ha, tandaan ninyo, indeed ang sagot ng universe. Ang sabi ko, diba, for some of you is mababa ang inyong self-confidence, right? Diba? Yung iba sa inyo na mag-resonate. Tingnan mo sabi, you are good enough as you are right now. So, walang mali sa'yo, you are good enough. Let's see. File number 1. Thank you. Let's see. There's no planet B. Okay. Go get some fresh air. Go get some fresh air. Tingnan mo ah. Tingnan mo. File number 1. Kung titingnan mo lang yung illustration ng card, parang free. 'Di ba? Kung titingnan mo kasi ito, mga lambat-lambat siya, 'di ba? Lambat-lambat, 'di ba? Lambat, mga baso-basura, 'di ba? Huwag mong pansinin kung ano yung sinasabi ng any BS na nasa paligid mo. Tingnan mo, oh. Kung titingnan mo mabuti yung illustration, dolphins, tapos yung pagong, they freed themselves. Doon, tingnan mo, nasira yung lambat. Diba? Kung titingnan mo, tas fish. Diba? Free yourself sa mindset na meron ka right now. And sabi dito, tingnan mo, go get some fresh air para dun sa mga person na ina-isolate yung sarili nila. And nagwawalo dun sa nangyari. Hindi natin malalaman kasi magiging mahaba pa to kapag titingnan natin ano ba yung reason bakit um, ganyan yung emotions mo right now or yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Kasi this is, sabi nga dito, career reading kasi yan. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Kuha pa tayo ng advice. Yan na ba? Okay. One card. One advice or one last advice. Thank you. Let's see. Don't be fooled by my appearance. My soul is resplendent. O, diba? Alam mo, for some of you, ang baba ng self-esteem nyo. Ayun ninyo, ewan ko, I don't know. Kung tutusin, you're an empress. You're beautiful. Can be an earth sign, Taurus specifically. Don't be fooled by my appearance. My soul is resplendent. Tingnan natin guys. Ano yung other word for resplendent? O tingnan mo, di ba? Other word from less resplendent is attractive and impressive through being richly colorful or sumptuous. 'Di ba? Nagniningning. Okay? Makinang, shining, 'di ba? Maningning, makinang. So, ang sabi dito, nakakatuwa talaga kapag nag-resonate yung ating readings. Tingnan mo sabi dito, don't be fooled by my appearance. My soul, your soul is resplendent. So, ibig sabihin, kung sa tingin mo is wala kang looks, mababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. Tingin mo hindi ka maganda. Tingin mo hindi ka sexy. Tingin mo may mali sa'yo. You're a very good heart. You have a very good heart. You have a very good soul. Nagniningning ang soul mo. You have gift. You are intuitive, okay? You must need to clear your mind, clear your thoughts, clean your mind. Focus, okay? Para makuha mo yung job na gusto mo. Yung gusto mong kitain. Yung business na gusto mo. Yung money na gusto mong i-earn. Okay? Well, number 1, this is your reading. So, I hope resonated sa inyo yung ating reading. Kung hindi man, it's okay. You are welcome to watch file number 2. Malay mo, resonated sa inyo yon. Para sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please consider subscribing sa ating channel para mas lalo pang lumawak yung ating community. Okay? Maraming maraming salamat. File number 1. Hindi ko napapatagalin kasi almost 40 minutes. Okay, na ang ating file number 1. So, I will go sa file number 2. Okay. Comment down below kung resonated sa inyo. I will appreciate yung inyong i-comment. Okay? So, file number 1. I will go to file number 2. Okay. File number 2. Kung file number 2 ang iyong napili, this is your reading. So, check natin kung ano ba yung magka-come up na topic or specific pace na para sa'yo. Whether this is love, career, okay. So, titingnan natin ano yung makukuha natin na babasahin natin na part ng life mo. Okay? So, titingnan natin ano yung astral house. This is a tea leaf. Okay. Oracle deck. Uy, success. Oh. Confirmation. Success. Wow. Success daw. April. Maybe this April, okay, yung sa iyong month or your name is April or magkakaroon ka ng success this April. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung sagot ni universe sa iyo. Believe it. Wow! Ang ganda ng card mo. Ang ganda ng card ng pile number 2. You will have a success this April. You need to believe it. Wow. Success. So, titingnan natin. Success saan? Sa career ba to? Sa love ba to? Titingnan natin. Let's check. Pasensyahan nyo na guys yung aking pusa. Success daw. Para sa aking file number 2. Uy, may narinig akong Daisy. O pwedeng Daisy ang name. Let's see. You need to believe na this April may mangyayaring success sa iyo. File number 2. So, titingnan natin. Saan? Diba? Saan ba? Let's see. Ano yung magiging success this April sa aking file number 2? Six of Coins. Uy. O pwedeng may ma-receive ka na gift ngayong April. Or an equal give and take, whether this is a partnership, an offer, whether an offer of love, emotion, or po pwedeng sa trabaho, ma-appreciate yung role mo o yung ginagawa mo sa job. Let's see. What kind of success ito, file number 2? You will receive a recognition. Meron akong nakita. Let's see. Uy. Ay. King of Cups in reverse. Let's see ha, bago ko basahin. If you're dealing with if you're dealing with a person na emotionally unavailable, you will meet someone. Uh, ito guys ha. This April, if you're dealing with a manipulative, emotionally unavailable person, po pwedeng may makikilala ka na someone na ipapakita kung ano yung value mo as a girl, has a woman, or has a man. Makikilala mo whether this is a gift from God, gift sa'yo ng angels or ng guides mo. Let's see. Waning moon, gaining wisdom, timing 3 to 4 weeks. Let's see. Gaining wisdom. Uy. Ace of Swords, communication. Ooh. Um, Meron akong narinig na ano, you will have you will gain a clarity in regards of a person who is emotionally unavailable and immature or manipulative. You will find yourself na marirealize mo na lang na this person is manipulating you. Yes. You will find balance. Okay? This is a clarity. O pwedeng you will speak your truth in regards dito sa person na to. You need to believe on yourself. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung nafe-feel mo. If you feel that this person is manipulating you, or this person na kadil mo when it comes sa relationship, okay, if this is a connection, follow, believe on your intuition, on yourself. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito, you will gain a clarity or you will have a epiphany. Okay? So, po pwedeng ipapakita sa'yo yun. Yes, ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung katotohanan about sa isang specific person na kadil mo. The devil, oh. The devil, Capricorn. Ha? Ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung pattern. Um, Kasi meron akong nararamdaman na for some of you, matagal nyo na tong nakikita eh. Pero, pwedeng magkakaroon, ipapakita sa'yo, bibigyan ka ng proof. Papakitaan ka ng epiphany nga na tama yung nararamdaman mo when it regards sa specific person na toxic or having an unhealthy pattern. King of Cups in reverse is not a good energy. Uulitin ko ulit. Kapag ako nagbabasa ng card, King of Cups in reverse is a very manipulative person. Okay? Whether papakitaan kanya ng hot and cold, withdrawn, tapos magiging hot na naman, or moody, push and pull, that is a toxic pattern. whether this person is giving you physical or emotional abuse, if your guide, your angels, si Lord, ay magpakita sa'yo ng sign. And I know, nakikita mo yon kasi you're very intuitive. You need to believe it. If this person say or merong sinabi sa'yo na something, may pinapakita siya sa'yo, you need to believe it. Kasi, ibig sabihin, this is from the past. Meron ako nakikita na this is an ex. Yung iba sa inyo, ha? Yung iba sa inyo. This is a karmic connection. Let's see. Let's see. File number 2. Uy! Muntik ng maano. Let's see. File number 2. So, sorry. Queen of Coins. Earth sign. Virgo. Okay? You are very good sa money. Yung iba sa inyo, ha? This person is sinashower ka ng gift. Queen of Coins, oh. Good at money. Very caring, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus again. Very nurturing, grounded, okay? Organized also. If you're in a relationship with a toxic person, o pwede rin Capricorn na. Meron ako nakitang Capricorn dito. And if you're a businesswoman, you will have a success when it regards sa money. Let's see. Thank you. Four of Swords. Burnout. Four of Swords. Kaso in reverse. Full Moon. Illuminated Subconscious. 1 month. O, di ba? Emotional awareness. Move on. You are moving on. If this is from the past, and you're already end it, completed na yung cycle. Okay? Let's see, Feeling burnout ka dito sa person na to, na very manipulative. The devil is here. Toxic kasi to. Oh my gosh. If this is about a relationship, Two of Swords. For some of you, you are indecision. For some of you na hindi pa clear yung mind and feeling burnout, feeling stagnant because you are in a process of deciding whether you should move on or kailangan i-cut off tong person na to, kailangan kalimutan, kailangan makipaghiwalay. Guys, you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe sa signs na pinapakita sa'yo. Wala akong ibang gagawin kundi sabihin na may darating na clarity sa'yo, epiphany. Ipapakita yung pattern sa'yo, yung unhealthy pattern. There is a success here. Makakawala ka na doon sa person na yon, nakadil mo na very toxic. King of Wands, because you will find someone new. There is someone new na darating. This is very attractive person. Very attractive person. Very handsome. Very charming na person. This is an entrepreneur katulad mo. Successful person like you. Huh? If you are dealing with the immature person and a toxic person, manipulative person, mahihinto na yon. Magkakaroon ka na ng courage na makipaghiwalay. Believe me, there is a gift here that you need to receive. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa iyo, doon sa may, if whether this is a past person na toxic, sinaktan ka, you need to accept. Yung breakup is the gift for you to move forward kasi hindi yun yung tamang person para sa'yo. That is a karmic. Yes, that is a karmic connection. There is someone new here na parating. Let's see. More cards for my pile number 2. Oy! Oh my God! Ace of Coins! Anong sabi ko? New beginning! King of Coins! Wow! There is a two-person here. Oh my gosh! King of Coins and King of Wands. King to guys ha. King. And not a page. Bibigyan ka ng choice. May ibibigay na choice sa'yo. Wow. O pwedeng kaya meron two of swords dito kasi you are torn between two choices. One is very financially stable and hardworking like you since you are a queen of coins and earth sign. This is a partner, guys. Partner to. Tingnan nyo ha. Queen of coins and king of coins. I hope nakakasunod kayo ha. Wow. Success. Success in relationship. Success in moving on. Success in healing. Success to break negative, unhealthy patterns within yourself or within any relationship. Wow. You just need to believe it. Amazing. Let's get last 3 cards for this deck para sa aking pile number 2. Uy. Judgment. You need to forgive kung sino man yung nanakit sa'yo. Gift yung nangyari sa'yo before. Whether ang dami mong pinagdaanan. Okay? You will have a renewal. Okay? Judgment card is here. Wow. And this is a spiritual journey again. Congratulations, pile number 2. Chariot. You are moving on. Again, success is here and success. Chariot. O pwedeng you will travel to other location and makikilala mo tong dalawang pogi na ito. Okay. Choice. Oy, thank you. 10 of Swords. because maybe um, you reach your rock bottom. Okay? So, kung medyo hindi maganda yung yung aura mo or yung energy mo kasi you deal with a manipulative, toxic person that gives you 10 of swords. Huh? This breakup, another confirmation, this breakup, divorce, or nangyari sa'yo, this is necessary kasi para mas, alam mo yun, para mas mai-reveal pa sa'yo yung mas magandang gift na ibibigay sa'yo. Whether a choices, a two choice in love. O, di ba? Bottom of the deck is Six of Swords. You will have your restoration and peace within yourself. You just need to believe it. Yes. Very powerful to, guys. If before, you are dealing with someone na hindi kayang ibigay, ipakita yung worth mo, ibigay, yung suyuin ka, walang equal give and take kasi toxic or unhealthy patterns ang meron. Ha? This time, yung gift na ibibigay sa'yo, and you will have a success, maybe this April, makikilala mo to. Options, moving on, moving forward. And if you are in a crossroad right now, okay, um, huwag kang mainip kasi po pwedeng right timing lang eh. Po pwedeng April. Oh my gosh! Ngayon ko lang nalaman. July ngayon, di ba? January, February, March, April, January, February, March, April. Di ba? Oh my gosh, you already completed the cycle. You will complete the cycle na. Mag ano ka na, moving forward ka na. Whether you have a conflict dito sa person mo na nakadil, na toxic and very manipulative, or if you have a toxic ways sa sayo kapag nakikipagrelasyon, ma-overcome mo to, mariresolve mo. Okay? Ace of Cups, Ace of Coins is stable. Stable to, guys. Slow but steady. Slow but steady with the Ace of Coins. New beginning in money, in love. Guys hindi ako nagbibiro. You will meet someone new. You will meet someone new, whether this April. You need to believe it. You must first, I have a goosebump. You need to believe it, guys. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. If you have unhealthy patterns then within yourself, you need to fix or resolve it. Kasi yung makikilala mo na choice, kasi paparating na to, the Chariot, moving forward, this is a past movement. This is on your way na. Nag-gets nyo, guys? On your way na, paparating na, mangyayari na. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba yung advice sa'yo? Advice sa akin pile number 2. Meron ako nakita, most of you guys, this is about relationship. Itong pile number 2 natin. Relationship to. Po pwedeng may lahi, yung ibang lahi yung ma-meet mo. Whether, basta ibang lahi. Let's see. Uy, Aga ha. No? If before hindi ka makapagsabi ng no sa toxic patterns, toxic ways, you know your worth na. Okay? You know your worth. And alam mo kung ano yung para sa'yo at hindi para sa'yo. No. You will gain, you will gain clarity, know your worth. Got a drink? Cheers! Celebration! Oh my gosh! Magkakaroon ng celebration, party-party po, pwedeng doon mo makilala yan. Itong two options na to. You need to celebrate. Forgive yourself for being clumsy before. Advice for my pile number 2. Give me advice for my pile number 2, please. Okay, thank you. You failed, so what? Diba? If you failed before, so what? Sabi. No justification needed. You're being a badass right now. No justification needed. No need to justify yourself. Huh? Aww, memories comfort us. Yes, memories can comfort us if that is a good memory. But if yung memory na aalalahanin mo is just an illusion and just a manipulative ways to get you, to control you, ay nako day. Kahit wag mo nang alalahanin. I know. Bottom of the deck, you're not okay. Yes, I know. It's hard, but believe it na you will have a success this April in relationship. If you are down ngayon. I am called to get three more cards for you, pile number 2. So I will get 3 more cards for my pile number 2. Give me 3 cards more for my pile number 2. Inabi ko hopeless romantic. Hopeless romantic ka ba? Pile number 2. Do not regret anything. Don't regret your decision. Let's see. Last 2 cards for my pile number 2. You're a unicorn, ha? You are unique and magical. Wow, I've got superpowers. Can be a psychic or very intuitive. Healer for some of you. Kaya broken soul ang na-attract mo before. Uy, thank you. Fall down on the couch. Sleep. Sleep. You can have a dog. Or po pwede siguro makakatulong sa'yo if you have a dog or a pet. Can be a good friend also. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo, earth sign kayo eh. Yung ba sa inyo eh. Nature is your ally. Earth sign. Mother Earth. Makakapag-recharge ka sa nature. Okay? Kailangan pahinga ha? Pahinga. Fall down on the couch. You are a healer. So, talagang, if you're a healer, talagang madidrain ka. Kaya negative person yung na-attract mo before. So, you need to practice how to put boundaries, okay? Kaya nga nakalagay no, kasi matututo ka ng mag-put ng boundaries. No. Unicorn, you're very magical and powerful. You are unique, rare. Okay, you are a gold. Okay, a gem. You are one of a kind. And this person on the past, the toxic, alam mo yun. Okay, you failed. You don't need to be perfectionist. You failed, so what? Okay, you need to drink. You need to celebrate on a small achievement na nakuha mo. And you don't need to justify. No justification needed, okay? You're very, ano kasi, you're very sentimental kind of a person. File number one. Yung iba sa inyo ha, you are sentimental kind of a person. Kapag nagmahal kayo kasi talaga mahal. Yun ang nakukuha ko, file number, so sorry, file number 2 pala. Baka may message kayo sa file number 1. Kaya siguro, medyo matagal-tagal yung process ng pag-move on. Okay? So, you need to believe this April you will have a success in love life or partnership moving on. Okay? So, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading file number 2. Okay? You are free to watch file number 1 again kung hindi resonated sa inyo itong reading. Okay? Show your love. Comment down below if resonated sa inyo. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please consider subscribing sa channel natin para mas lumaki pa yung ating community. Again, abangan ninyo bukas mag-upload ako ulit or later mag-upload ako ulit ng 2 pang video para meron kayong mapanood. So, happy weekend again guys. Maraming salamat. And you are welcome also to comment kung ano yung gusto ninyong specific topic na gagawin natin sa susunod na upload. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay sa aking paligid kasi inhit ang aking mga alaga. Okay? Maraming salamat. And again, yung ating personal reading na free until katapusan lang ng July. Po pwedeng i-claim. Kapag hindi po na-claim, mapo-forfeit. Okay? Yung free na personal reading, sayang naman. Okay? And if you want to have a personal reading sa akin, again, yung Gmail po natin is nasa description box. You may check the description box para malaman ninyo kung saan kayo po pwedeng mag-inquire about sa ating personal reading. Okay? So maraming salamat. Hindi ko napapatagalin. Happy weekend guys. Bye!